Look at this fancy little lock it's got on here. Just turn that. Thing goes right there. It is locked and secure. Let's see if this thing opens. Oh. That's good. And to go change the air filter. Put this thing back on. Never open this up. And that's bad for one. But that's not good. That's not good at all. So we're gonna clean this up. Alright, so it's still pretty stained up. But I think I got all the scale and loose stuff off, and I'm not too worried about this because the air filter's here, air is on here, and then carburetor's in here, so this doesn't matter too much. This, I don't have any. Replace it later, maybe, I don't know. That's good enough for me. That's good, that's professional. So I've wasted enough time on it. So I got me some acetone and supposedly a clean rag. Let's clean this thing up. Whew. You know, it's gonna look pretty on the inside once it's painted. I mean, you'll definitely still be able to see all the textures. But it'll look pretty. And you know, my mom always told me that. No matter what's on the outside, as long as the inside looks pretty. Then again, I'm kind of ugly. I think that's why she always said that to me. I got this spray paint from somewhere. It's probably the cheapest thing at the store, honestly. Let's read the directions. Got wire brush, yep. Clean, yep. Blah, blah, blah. Safe, clean, ventilated area. I'm outside, so that'll work. Shake can vigorously for 1 minute. Well, that's good. Oh, look at that, it's black. Perfect. You can already see some critter walking around right there. I don't know if I could have done worse. It's good. And the e-brake don't work because it was missing this little bolt here to hold it down. And then the little spring to keep this back so it'll lock is missing. So I got a new one. And can't see nothing. Maybe I should use a flashlight. Ah, there we go. Nice. It's good. Went and pulled the door panels off. Just sprayed this stuff up with some lube. So now everything, door wheel or window wheel's down real good. Doors open real good. The locks work. Key even works in the locks. Window is squeaky, but it works. It's good. Alright, using one of those lock arms I found, replace the one that did all this to the truck. How long do you have to be driving a vehicle, missing a wiper, to do that? That's asinine. Anyway, gonna pop this one off, put that one on. So off with the old, in with the new. No more lines, and that is deep. Anyway, it's good. Got a new door panel and new door handle. Make sure when you install this not to forget the spring behind the little plastic thing so it keeps the plastic pushed out. New used battery, same custom tie down. For some reason the old 79 blinkers quit working. Now I know the cam in there's already broken because it won't stay up, but they were working just fine. And we've already gone and changed the relays. So now I gotta take this off and look at the switch in here. And there's two little screws. Take out the two little screws behind the steering wheel. That just pops off. Unplug the horn, which still works. I gotta take this bolt off. Then gotta put a little puller into these two little holes and yank the steering wheel off. We'll see if that has to be done. It's pretty clean in here, it's not bad. Alright, got that nut off, and this thing is stuck pretty good, as it should be. Alright, time to go grab the puller. Now, you want to make sure you mark that steering wheel so you can get it back on correctly. And it's an okay marking right there, not the best. But anyway, you just got this little puller here. These are kind of universal. Comes with different sizes of bolts. Also comes with a little hook thing. This one's real cheap, but it works. And get these put in those little holes. Go down as far as they go. Don't like over tighten them or anything. And then you simply basically just, whoops, wrong one. Just start tightening it. Might have to hold the steering wheel so it's not going off to the side. And sometimes these pop out real easy. Sometimes they pop out real hard. And this one's nice and easy. In fact, I think this one's, look at that. Right there is your switch. So you can see contacts right there. Contacts right there for the horn. And I believe if you touch these together, anyway, so now gonna look at this switch. See if I can get these to make the blinkers work by grounding them and stuff, or touching them together. Because I don't want to go be spending the money on this thing, on this switch, if it's not what the problem is. And I still got nothing. Alright, let me fiddle with this for a second. So I'm not sure what I did. I cleaned the contacts up a little bit and just moved things around. Got it anyway, it's working now. So I don't got to replace this. There was a piece of the cam, this little arm right here. There should be another one on this side right there. And it was broken and stuck down here. Move that. Clean this stuff up, sprayed it with some electrical cleaner. Just and you just scratch this stuff with a screwdriver a little bit, and I think that was it. Just dirty contacts, probably from sitting for years. When I started driving it, started moving all this dust around and stuff. Maybe this came loose. But yeah, we're working good now. And so all this little cam does that's broken is when you turn, and then you turn signal on, and then you turn. When you're going back straight, it's supposed to shut this off, so it just doesn't automatically shut off. So it's a 2-year-old man pickup. Turn signal stays on because you're gonna forget. Anyway, time to put it all back together. Oh. Fight infantile paralysis. Wow, that one's kind of deep.